In recent weeks, the President of the United States has used harsh language towards Somali people in Minnesota, describing them as a burden and a problem and calling for crackdowns. The truth is simple. Minnesota's Somali community is not a problem. It is one of America's strongest refugee success stories. In speeches, posts, and meetings, individuals have singled out Somali Minnesotans, alleging fraud and suggesting they give nothing back. There are also calls for enforcement actions targeting Somali communities. Many Somalis here are U.S. citizens or legal residents with deep ties to the state. This rhetoric can fuel fear, hostility, and division. Why are Somalis in Minnesota? In 1991, Somalia's government collapsed. Civil war, clan conflict, terrorism, drought, and famine forced millions to flee. Refugee camps in Kenya, Ethiopia, and elsewhere provided safety for many years. Through U.S. refugee programs, thousands of Somali families were offered safety and a new start. Many were resettled in Minnesota, where churches, mosques, nonprofits, and local communities helped them find homes, schools, and work. Somalis did not come to take benefits. They came to protect their families and rebuild their lives from nothing. Today, Minnesota has one of the largest Somali communities in the United States. In Minneapolis, St. Paul, St. Cloud, Wilmer, and Faribault, Somali Minnesotans are entrepreneurs, workers, and leaders. Somali-owned businesses can be found at places like Carmel Mall and 24 Somali Mall, offering restaurants, clothing shops, daycares, tax services, travel agencies, and tech repair. Somalis work in healthcare, trucking, manufacturing, education, and social services. Many are homeowners and run nonprofits that support youth, elders, and new arrivals. They have become political leaders, serving on school boards, city councils, the state legislature, and even in Congress. When policies threaten deportations or target TPS holders, Somali communities respond with unity, town halls, and peaceful organizing. They refuse to be intimidated. Somali Minnesotans did not cause America's problems. They fled war and chose to build peace. They pay taxes, start businesses, raise families, and serve in public roles. They are part of Minnesota's story.